Folks, Jennifer Elizabeth Strachan here. Yes, Jennifer E. Strachan, DBA LDAMS, LDAMS, the acronym for my firm, Legal Document Assistance and Multi-Services. Yes, today is Monday, September 23rd, 2024. I am in my office at my desk, as you can all see, and this is where I am. This is where I do my work, my job, my life. My life depends on me doing my job and my work and minding my business. So I'm in my shop. I am a multi-services firm. Uh, Paralegal, legal assistant, legal technician, notary, consultant. I also do advertising services and marketing services. So, yes, indeed, I am a multi-services provider, and I'm open for work, open to do work, open to work, open for work. And my number is 347-693-4437. Folks, I know many of you have been shopping around, calling the various uh, competitors, or other businesses are known as competitors sometimes. And you've been calling around and inquiring all over the place. You've been inquiring around here, there, up, down, and around, and regarding people's business services and prices. And a lot of you have taken matters into your hands, and you've gone on to do your own business for yourselves. Nobody's knocking anybody. I'm certainly not knocking anyone for trying to do your own business for yourself. I mean, life is business, business is life, but certain things you're not qualified to do for yourself, and certain matters. I am a legal professional, yes, and still I don't do everything for myself. Certain matters, and I'm going to mention right here, such as I don't do my own medical examination. I don't have. I'm not a doctor, so I don't provide medical services to myself. No, if I were to get a cut or something where I see blood, I would certainly bring myself to the nearest hospital, or contact my primary care physician. So I'm not a medical doctor, but and mentioning about people doing their own businesses, or taking hearsay and going out, or staying and doing taking matters into their own hands without the help of a professional such as myself, is very dangerous, and there are a lot of consequences for doing such. Many of you would have already found out that the time when you went ahead and did a lot of things without the help of a professional, you should have. Now you're in the consequences of that matter, and now it's too late for many of you all. But regarding, if you've and shopping around and doing things for yourself, if you've peruse the New York courts.gov website, then you would see there are many things you're able to do it for yourself. DIY services you're able to do for yourself. Well, you thought you could do that for yourself, and it turned out that you're not. You weren't able to do it for yourself, even with the DIY forms, and that's where you should have come to contacted me. Yes, you should have contacted Jennifer E. Strachan. At least Jennifer Elizabeth Strachan have some training. And if I couldn't help you with your matter, I would certainly refer you to an attorney. So the Do It DIY forms that are available at NewYorkState.gov are divorce, custody, visitation support, paternity, uh, guardianship. I mean, you'll see the list of forms that are available at DIY at NewYorkState.gov. But still, even with those forms provided at the state government level, a lot of people who tried doing it for themselves still were failed at such. So you still need the general public. The general public still needs the assistance of legal professionals. I could certainly assist with some of those forms, um, and not just the forms on the listed, not just the matters listed at NewYorkState.gov, but any matter I'm not able to help you with, whether it's on the New York State, it's listed on the NewYorkState.gov site or not. There are multiple matters that people are having in hand to deal with. And if you were to call my firm, my business, call LDAMS, Legal Document Assistance and Multi Services, I would be the person answering the phone and speaking directly with you, the potential customer, and seeing if I'm able to assist you with your specific type of issue or matter. Um, There are forms available on the internet, off the internet. Yes, that is true. General public has access to forms, but however, uh, must be very careful, and a lot of people are dealing with the consequences of having taken matters into their own hands, and then everything didn't turn out too well. And we all know the old saying is true: all's well that ends well. And so if you want to be, if you want to avoid, as I do, I know I do in my own practice, I try and avoid unauthorized practice of law. So far, so good. I've been avoiding a lot, taking a lot of requests and upon inquiries in my firm, because your inquiries came to my attention via text, emails, and telephone and such, and I refused or I turned down some of your uh, matters because I felt, and I know deep in my heart, uh, um, money isn't everything. A lot of people are into business for money, but there are certain times, there is a time where you just can't do certain things because, like or hate, the fact is, I'm not an attorney or a lawyer yet. Very close, but I'm on my way. I'm well on my way to being a lawyer and attorney. So any matters that I haven't been able to help and assist any inquiring persons who wanted to know, I did send off or refer to attorneys or the local bar association or lawyers and such who would be able to uh, best who are best suited to do such. As a matter of fact, I do work with attorneys and lawyers, um, uh, so I know very well where to steer or direct uh, potential customers that, in the end, do need would need an attorney or lawyer. But for the people who need paralegal, legal services, legal technician services, notary services, marketing services, advertising services, yes, I'm available. I'm open to work, open for work, and I'm reachable at 347-693-4437. Email at jenniferestrawn.ldams@workmail.com. And I'm on various social media platforms. So you can certainly DM me or text me, and also WhatsApp. Inform me what are the issues you have at hand. And hopefully it hasn't gone to the extent of, well, no, I need to tell you because you did such and such an X, Y, and Z. I have to ship you or send you, direct you. I must direct you. Unfortunately, for both for any one of us. Unfortunately, I won't be getting any money out of it, and now you've lost so much money because you won. But unfortunately, I have to direct you. I must direct you to an attorney or lawyer. So I'm looking for. Um, I'm hoping, not just hoping. You see, I'm doing the work to get the customers I need, clients and gigs, and I would like uh, some big numbers, really big numbers today. Um, I'm not only one can wish. No, I'm not into wishing, hoping, or dreaming because I do. I'm going the distance, right? Aren't you all going to go the distance? I know you've come far. We've all came far, come far, and it's been a long time. But life. I'm not done yet. Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. Don't ever quit Jennifer E. Strawn. So I look forward to hearing your lovely voices and speaking with you. I want to be speaking with you all and not about you. Oh, please, I've had so much. I've had too much. It's so much. It's so much. It's too much. But if you have real issues, you must deal with, and I know you all do. We all do. I deal with real issues in my life and business every day. And the fact of the matter is, I'm open for business. I'm open to work. I'm open to work. Life is business. Business is life. And yes, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn, DBA LDAMS, is open to work and open for work. Talk to you soon.